front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Gestures. Now select one-handed mode and use the switcher to activate it if you are using gesture navigation. Hit Pull Screen into Reach and follow those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area. Sorry, misclick. This area at the top. If you wish to disable it completely, use the same now green switcher. If you are using 3 buttons navigation, this option will be unavailable. That's why you need to scroll all the way down and use this switcher instead, next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got It and operate one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut whenever you want to. To turn it off, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!